Are you sick and tired of trying to cook when you go camping, but you always run out of counter space in your kitchen? Well, this Keystone Cougar 350LK has something you need to see. It is 40 feet and 1 inch long and has a dry weight of 11,960 pounds. Let's take a look at the outside and then I'll show you what I mean inside. Right off the bat, when you drive this off the lot here at Bullion RV, it will come with 2 completely full 30-pound propane tanks. And here's something that Keystone is starting to do with a lot of their fifth wheels. They're including these Kurt Helix pins. And they say that this will actually reduce about 30% of the vibration both in your camper and in your truck while you're driving down the road. We do have a good amount of pass-through storage, access and controls to your 4-point auto leveling system, your universal hookup, your tankless on-demand hot water heater, so when you're plugged into the city water, you will actually run out of propane before you run out of hot water. And of course, we've got your furnace. There are 3 rack and pinion slides with this camper. Coming around the back end, you will find a ladder leading to your fully walkable roof, as well as prep for a backup camera. You'll also find your solar panels up there as well. Finally, before we head inside, we do have 2 really nice big awnings that will go almost the entire way down the campsite if it's not too windy. Inside, you will find a huge TV right above your fireplace that will kick out 5,000 BTUs of heat. Your freestanding dinette with your movable ottoman that does have a little bit of storage in there. And then this giant L-shaped couch. We've got 2 reclining sections here, and we also have a king bed that can fold out right from there as well. Now remember what I said about the counter space at the beginning? Well, take a look at this. Because there is more counter space in this fifth wheel than I have in my house. Like, there is so much room for food prep in here. You will also find not 1, but 2 pop-up power towers in your kitchen, as well as 2 more outlets on this side with some USB charging ports as well. Underneath, we do have a lot of storage space, but what's really neat is behind this door here, we'll actually have a hookups for a complete dishwasher to be installed. As far as your major appliances go, we do have a nice big refrigerator with French doors and a dedicated freezer, a pretty decent sized oven for a camper, a 3-burner cooktop, with your microwave right above. There is a neat spice rack system or a place to plant some succulents. And if you've got teenage boys or grandsons, this might be one of the best parts because take a look at this massive pantry. Not only are we prepped with a lot of space for foodstuffs, there is an outlet with some hooks in case you want to hang any coats or have a vacuum cleaner installed in here. They keep the theme going of counter space in the bathroom with this nice big 1-piece counter. They also have a floor flush porcelain toilet, along with a really nice big backlit vanity plus your shower. And if you can't tell, they have a skylight in the shower, so if you're over 6.5 feet tall, you still can stand up in here. In the bedroom, you will find a king-size bed that still gives you enough room to walk around on all 3 sides, USB charging and inverted prepped outlets on either side for any CPAP machines or phones. There is a really nice big step-in closet, and right next to it, an even bigger wardrobe that is prepped for a stackable washer-dryer. And finally, with the way that this summer has been going, here's one of the best parts about this unit. You have a second air conditioner up here in your bedroom to accompany your main AC here in the main living area. And what's really neat about it is, this one here is actually an 18,000 BTU air conditioner. The one in the bedroom is 6,000 BTUs. What's significant about that is you can actually run both of them at the same time on a 30 amp power supply. So this is the 2027 Keystone Cougar 350LK. It's 40 feet long and almost 12,000 pounds dry. It's got an incredible kitchen, a great living area, and a sweet bedroom and bathroom up front. If you're interested, come find me. My name's Andrew. I'm the giant with the beard here at Bullion RV. Or you can give me a call at 218-408-8937. Love to chat with you about this or any of the other units we have on our lot. And I hope to hear from you soon.